The admissions process is a holistic process, and one important piece is your professional experiences. In the Executive MBA program, we're looking to bring in a diverse cohort of professionals from a variety of backgrounds and industries. We're looking for high achievers, people with demonstrated leadership potential who have made an impact on their workplace. Although it's sometimes hard, make sure you use your essays and resume to highlight your professional and personal achievements. Also, make sure that you explain transition points in professional experiences. For example, you may have had a title change. Explain how your responsibilities have changed in your new role. If you left a job, help us understand why you left the role and what led you to the next one so we can understand the career path you have taken. For your recommendations, choose recommenders who have worked closely with you in the recent past and can highlight your skill set and the impact you've had on your team or organization. We do not recommend choosing someone very senior in your organization who can't be as specific in the recommendation. Try to also choose recommenders who you've worked with more recently who can provide more relevant feedback on your professional experiences. All recommendations can be completed online through our online recommendation form. If your recommender would prefer to submit a letter, they can email the letter to any one of us on the admissions team directly. We also want to bring in individuals who have defined and ambitious goals and can clearly articulate how the Executive MBA experience is going to get them one step closer to those goals. As you think about the program and complete the application essays, think about where you are at this point in your career and where you'd like to be 2, 5, 10 years down the line. We know that sometimes there are smaller stepping stones to get to a big end goal, so take the time to tell us that story and describe the interim steps you may need to take in the short term to get to that end goal you've set for yourself in the long term. Try to be as specific in your essays about how the Stern Executive MBA program will help you achieve your short-term and long-term goals. Are there particular courses or faculty members that you're interested in interacting with? Are there student organizations or conferences that you'd like to participate in? Outside of the application, this is also a great exercise for you to determine that the NYU Stern Executive MBA is the right next step for you at this point in your career. Finally, we do want to see that your employer is also supportive of the time commitment required for the Executive MBA program. For this, we provide an organizational sponsorship form, which is an optional component of the application. The form summarizes the time commitment required for the program, so it may be used as a tool to have a conversation with your employer around time and financial sponsorship. If your employer is not as supportive of the time off, our students have worked out various alternatives to secure time sponsorship. Some take vacation days for class time. Others do condensed work weeks. It's up to you and your employer how you would like to take the time out from the office to attend classes. While some organizations also offer financial sponsorship, and it's always welcome, financial sponsorship is not required to apply or to enroll in the program.